Are you struggling to stay fit, energetic, and active? Thinking face worry no more. In today's video, we'll share 18 golden rules for a healthy and balanced life. These simple habits can transform your health and boost your energy levels naturally. Watch till the end, because even small changes can make a big difference in your life. Let's get started. 1. Start your morning right. Drink 2 glasses of warm water on an empty stomach to flush out toxins and kickstart your metabolism. 2. Stay hydrated. Sip 8 to 12 glasses of water throughout the day. Drink slowly for better absorption. 3. Avoid water while eating. Don't drink water during meals. Instead, have it 30 minutes before or after eating. 4. Say no to tea on an empty stomach. Avoid drinking tea first thing in the morning. It can upset your digestion. 5. Eat plain yogurt. Consume yogurt during breakfast or lunch for improved digestion and immunity. 6. Relieve constipation naturally. If you experience constipation, have papaya in the evening. 7. A sweet habit after meals. Chew on fennel seeds and jaggery post-meal for better digestion and to avoid sugar cravings. 8. Switch to rock salt. Stop using regular salt and opt for rock salt, namak, for better health. 9. Mindful eating. Avoid watching TV or using your phone while eating. Focus on your food. 10. Keep your phone away while sleeping. Don't keep your mobile close to your bed at night, it can disrupt your sleep. 11. Night food restrictions. Avoid consuming curd, rice, or kidney beans at night to prevent bloating or indigestion. 12. No cold water. Skip drinking refrigerated cold water, opt for room temperature water instead. 13. Nighttime routine. Before bed, clean your teeth and drink 1 glass of water. 14. Avoid heavy meals after 5 p.m. Eat light in the evening to avoid overburdening your digestive system. 15. Answer calls smartly. Always answer phone calls with your left ear to avoid straining your brain. 16. Sleep routine matters. Get quality sleep by sticking to a 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. schedule. 17. Don't mix medicine with cold water. Always take your medicines with lukewarm or room temperature water. 18. Walk after dinner. Take 500 steps after dinner to aid digestion and prevent weight gain. Conclusion. These simple yet powerful habits can help you live a healthier and more active life. Remember, small changes lead to big transformations. Start following these rules today and see the difference for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing health tips. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Stay healthy and take care. Yellow Heart.